Welcome to our Ukulele Blues Challenge. This is going to be a challenge like you've never seen before, but this one is going to start it off. This is Elmore James and Dust My Blues. Well, I'm tired of the way she treats me. I'm about to lose my mind. Yeah, all right, so welcome to this challenge. This is going to be a very, very cool challenge. We're going to be doing 6 songs, 2 songs a week. That way it's going to give you plenty of time to work on them and record them and also get them posted up at the ukelikethepros forum. So if you want to sign up, you're going to get all the backing tracks, all the information, the tab, all the stuff that we do in this video and the other ones. We'll put a link below so you can sign up and come be part of this blues challenge that we're doing. Hashtag ULTP, and also don't forget to tag at ukelikethepros. So anyway, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome. If you're new to the channel, haven't done so, please subscribe, turn on that bell notification. So this is a blues shuffle in A. We're going to be doing Elmore James, a great blues artist, one of the great early electric blues artists as well. And this is his classic song, Dust My Blues. So 3 chords, A7, D7, and the E7. Now, this video is really going to be about the singing part, playing with the backing track, and getting ready for the challenge. If you need help, because I'm not going to go over every single aspect of what I'm playing, that's where the Blues Mastery course comes in to play, because that is everything I'm doing, we're going to be showing you in that course. So check it out, ukelikethepros.com, ukeblues/ukeblues. We'll put that link below as well. But that's the course you want to really expand your blues playing for the ukulele. All right, but I'm just going to show you some basics here. So we got the A7. We're going to be doing this shuffle. We are going to go to the quick change, so the D7 on measure 2, and then back to A7. We'll just play through this once, the nicest song, and then we'll add the lyrics. All right, then we go to the D7. This is measure 5 and 6. This is your 4 chord. 3, 4 notes to up and down. 2, 3, and then back to A7. 2. All right, last 4 bars, measure 9, E7, oh yeah, a little bit of a stretch, D7, 3, and A7. And then to the E7, 3, and 4, and now we are going to be doing 2 choruses, which means we're going to repeat that whole thing again, the 12-bar blues, and then we'll just end on an A7 chord. All right, this is a great song. How many times can I say great? But this is actually a really great song. The melody is going to start on, gotta get up in the morning, I believe I dust my blues, gonna get up in the morning, I believe I dust my blues. 2, 3, now we're going to go, same lyrics now, gonna get up in the morning, yeah, I believe I dust my blues. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm gonna leave my baby. I ain't got no time to lose. Yeah, get a little growl. 3, 4. All right, we're gonna go to the next verse here. I don't want no woman that treat me wrong all the time. Now I'll repeat that. Here we go. D7. I don't want no woman that treat me wrong all the time. Yeah. Well, I'm tired of getting treated this way. I'm about to lose my mind. 2, 3, and that's it. Just 2 times through this song. Now we're going to add the backing track. Okay. Again, if you want this tab, this notation, the backing tracks, you got to sign up below for this to be part of this challenge. And then you do have to post your videos up at the ukelikethepros forum. That's a free forum, by the way. And then we're going to give you all the links below for that. So don't worry about that. All right, let's add the backing track now. Let's add the backing track. This thing sounds killer with the backing track. I want to hear your playing. I want to hear your singing. Come on now, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna get up in the morning. I believe I'll dust my blues. Gonna get up in the morning. I believe I dust my blues. I'm gonna leave my baby. I ain't got nothing to lose. I don't want no woman that treat me wrong all the time. I don't want no woman that treat me wrong all the time. Well, I'm tired of the way she treats me, 'cause I'm about to lose my mind. All right, so there you go. There's Dust My Blues by Elmore James. You don't have to use a backing track. Highly recommended, because I think it sounds cool, but not required for this challenge. Again, if you're struggling with this rhythm, check out the Ukulele Blues Mastery course. That's ukelikethepros.com/ukeblues. That's going to solve all your problems. Also, you got to sign up for this challenge. We'll put that link so you can do that. And I want to see your videos. I want to see you getting down with this. All right, this is song 1. We'll see you in the next one.